Ok, falimearavantsika rehetrarehetra manaraka an'ity vidéo amin'ny YouTube ity. Charles cockpit miaraka amin'ny ATR 72500 ny Flight 1 miaraka amin'ny Sky Alliance Penso sy Capitaine Nevo vol Antananarivo Sainte-Marie. Hello ladies and gentlemen, so thank you for watching this video. Flight Simulator X with ATR Flight 175. So enjoy it to Antananarivo, from Antananarivo to Sainte-Marie.
Approach Madagascar 530, good evening, radio test.
Okay.
Madagascar 530, approach RQ5, good evening.
Okay,
Dana, thanks for radio test. We're still waiting for the captain. We'll shortly return back to you.
Iangaviana ianareo ametraka ny entana ao mantseza manoloananareo na koa ny fidoerana entana ambony mandritra
Madagascar
ka tsy
530.
sangany lalan-tsara sy ny varavarana rehetra. Misaotra tompoko.
Done. Okay, ready, officer. You can request clearance to Sainte-Marie Asphalt. Cabin crew is already informated for the departure, and they're already ready.
Okay, I request the clearance. Tana, Madagascar 530, ready to copy clearance. Tana, approach Madagascar 530.
Madagascar 530, stand by.
Lerany anaty plan de vol ve efa ny actualisé?
On actualise exactement. Doc 35. Il est retard,
Madagascar 530, clear for an IFR to Sainte-Marie. Scope 1000, flight level, initial flight level 100.
Clear to Sainte-Marie, initial level 100, and 1001 is coming down. Madagascar 530.
Madagascar 530, read back is correct. Call back for pushback and startup.
Next for startup, Madagascar 530.
Captain, just for in your side is on MCP altitude is already we immediately put 170 or the initial altitude?
100 initial.
Okay then.
Okay, so on the MCP I have altitude set on flight level 100, heading cell bank low, IAS 118.
Copied IAS and heading low, and for the heading and course 114. Could you check
The course, let me just check for the course. Yes, the heading is 114, but the course, let me check. Okay, maybe we can move forward and later on we will set the course because I still need to search.
Okay, you can request taxi.
Okay, you have control during taxi and takeoff?
Affirmative, and I give you control for the approach and landing at St. Mary.
If my commands are working, then yes.
Okay, we'll see on the cruise then.
Okay, thanks. Can approach Madagascar 530, ready to start engines. Hello, Mudato, what say?
Madagascar 530, pushback and startup.
Mila pushback, soon atom get A4
Dana, Madagascar 530, we are on nose out, so it will be directly a startup. We'll call you back for taxi.
Yes. Fully contact and the approach. An approach, I received the message. Is it for us or for Whiskey Oscar Alpha 271?
Madagascar 530, it's a mistake, it's for Whiskey Oscar Alpha.
Okay.
The course is 068, direct to Sainte Marie.
068 check. Direct Sainte Marie.
Then approach Madagascar 530, we are ready for taxi.
Madagascar 530, can you take off from Charlie?
Negative.
Madagascar, then approach, we request whiskey.
Madagascar 530, taxi holding point Charlie. Report holding point Charlie. Whiskey. Report holding point Whiskey.
Runway 11 via whiskey, Madagascar 530.
So before taxi checklist, taxi light.
First one, checklist.
Checklist improvisation, taxi sini parking brake apa tengah di brake.
Génial. Shit, I don't know what the taxi. Yeah,
En
taxi
fait-
light is on.
En fait, c'est tokony synchrone no ataontsika checklist. Dia zavatra tokony ampitovina
Ok.
en pratique. Ok. Parking brake off.
tomboka izy eto mivady
Yeah, check.
mangadanareo izahay mba anarana ny dorolalana momba ny fitaovam-piarovana
Cash lock.
toy izao
Is
ny
on.
fanidina ny fanerena ary ny famohana ny fekiby
Test lock on.
azafady mba afatorony
Ok,
fekiby famindrendra
mixture
ny jiro
auto.
kely izany
Off.
hitanareo avy eo ankavia sy ankavanana ireo varavarana
Condition lever ny ATR ny anarany.
eo amloana
Condition
eo
lever.
afovoany ary any aorina vomarika ny jiro ny lalana makany amin'izy ireo fantaro izay
Okay, let's move a bit and test our brake.
raha misy ny tsy fampindrivotra tapoka dia misy masika oxygène milatsaka avy hatrany ny fanandrify misy ezanareo rehefa izany dia sotony ilay masika mba hivoan'ny oxygène apetao anarona ny olona sy ny vava ahitro tsara amin'ny alalandreo elastika ary miala tsara
Okay, the
raha
brake
tonga ny
is
fotoana
working.
ilana ny satra vonjena izay
right
seza dia ampidiry toy izao ary afatondry tsara miandrasany baiko mpiandraikitra izay vao sotona ny tany kely miloko mena mampotsina azy rehefa anivelan'ny fiaramanidina asehonareo ihany koa ny fantsona azo itsofana azy amin'ny vava ny takelaka asehoanay dia mampiseho ny torolalana momba ny fitaovam-piarovana engaviana ianareo amaka izany ao anatin'ny posy kely eo alohanareo no ahitana azy amarino raha mifatotra tsara ny fekibo ampiakaro ny fiankinan'ny seza sy ny latabatra kely eo aminao mandritra ny fiangana sy fipetrahan'ny fiaramanidina dia tsy azo atao no mampiasa fitaovana elektronika na dia misy flight mode azy ilazana ihany koa ianareo fa voarara sady voasazam-balana no fokasikara atao anaty fiaramanidina sy any amin'ny efitra fidiovana misaotra nareo naharitra ny aina ary soavadito
Okay, at holding point is key before line up and takeoff checklist. Straight left.
Approach Madagascar 530, check-in holding point whiskey.
Madagascar 530 confirm information Foxtrot Tango.
Madagascar, at approach we have information echo on board.
Foxtrot.
Madagascar 530 negative, information is for now.
Foxtrot. Let me see. Okay, we have information Foxtrot.
Turn approach, now we update for Foxtrot.
Madagascar 530, you're clear to take off runway 11, wind is 145 at 09 knots, maintain runway axis until 6,000.
Need to take off runway 11, 6,000 feet, runway axis, Madagascar 530.
Madagascar 530, wind is 139 at 09 knots.
Madagascar 530.
3 runway procedure, strobe light and landing light. Officer.
I'm struggling clicking those buttons, but strobe light is already on. Landing light is on.
Okay. Engine bleed and 1, 2 off. Okay.
Bleeds are off. 1 and 2.
Line up and at line up we move gas lock. Okay. Gas lock off.
Gas log is already off.
Okay. Ahorita comenzaré con
So we maintain 118 indicated airspeed till 5,200. At 5,200 we accelerate to 150 and we initiate climb sequence at that speed. After aircraft is clean, we set the speed to 170 and we'll continue normal climb.
Roger, copied. Before takeoff checklist, takeoff Hinib.
Set.
Light flaps.
15.
Okay, let's check takeoff config. Okay, no sound. Ready for the takeoff, officer?
Ready for takeoff?
Takeoff. Check.
And they check. Over torque is done, yeah.
Okay.
V1, rotate V2.
Stay.
Positive line 0.
Gear up. Your damper is on. 5200 climb sequence.
séquence.
One 50 speed.
One.
Left turn to intercept radial 068. Speed 150.
30, proceed direct Sierra Mike and climb flight level 170.
Level 170 direct to Sierra Mike, confirm traffic please. Speed 150.
Madagascar 530, there is no traffic at the moment.
150.
No traffic reported. Madagascar 530.
Hafan'ny am'lave fa 150.
Affirm. Fallait indiquer eto nge mbola 120
Mbola izy eto mivavy iangavinay anareo samy hijanona amin'ny sezanareo ary tsy hamany fekibo mandrapahafatanjely
Le vitesse indiquée ao amin'ny cadran ve fa tsy arian'ny MCP fa le vitesse ato
efa mipetraka ianareo ampatsahevina fa rarana ny
Tsika ary mbola manuel no
mizotra air Madagasikara rehetra misaotra tompoko.
Zany hoe apekako kely zany le izy fa tsy ataoko eo amin'ny 75.
Hein?
Apekako kely ny throttle fa tsy atao amin'le bande blanche ave. Trano ihany.
Bande blanche ihany, bande blanche foana ny manety fa ny lohan'ny avion mila ampidinina.
Efa ny test ticket.
Ok, 150, flaps up.
Flaps up.
Madagascar 530,
Okay,
proceed flight level 170.
Misy miantso ve tsika zay?
Ie ataovy 150 afaka miakatra 170.
Climbing to 170, well report reaching Madagascar 530. Speed 170. Autopilot is engaged.
Affirm.
Okay.
So we follow the LNAV or left?
Confirm the mode. Confirm the mode for altitude now.
Climb sequence and altitude.
No, in a mode in autopilot, so heading scene.
LNAV.
Heading heading LNAV venella.
Kopena idinina nga?
Ataovy heading aloha. Ary ny vertical mode in.
Ketete. Ahead in high speed.
Inona le vertical o zay la?
And head in high speed. Vertical
Fa manino ty avion ty mivilambilana be le. Mandehandeha be le tiny ana ny indicateur ato amiko ato. Hitanao le bug-na heading iny.
nga? Firy ny idinina la? Am'izao firy?
Heading selecté sa heading tena izy.
Heading tena izy. Select moa zany.
Heading selecté ny anah zao 080.
Sy andafy ataoko 080. Fa zany intercept amin'le lalana. Sa le tonga de ovaina veloka au lieu de air nav. Sa anaraka FMC zany.
Aza mbola rana aloha le FMC fa le FMC nge tsy mifandray e.
Ok, ataoko veloka le izy a. De mode heading high a. De intercept
Ataovy heading fotsiny aloha. Heading high bank.
high bank.
Heading teko.
De maka riviry kely any amin'ny gauche any aloha de alao toviana le izy de am'zay tsy mipendrapendrana
Cap 060 ny anah. 56 igny ok. 56.
de intercept an'le radial tsy
Ay. 60 sa 56?
ataoko 60 ary
60 60.
zay tokony stable am'zay
De mode vertical mode IAS.
IAS 170.
Yes. Zay.
Ok, tsy mipendrapendrana intsony.
Zao izy ça va.
Ok,
Fa maninona tsy miakatra ty le izy le.
zay vao miakatra mety le rivotra angamba nomboka miakatra
Tabela FL100 ny anah. Non, tsy miakatra.
FL100 miara zao fa 113 firy ny haninao so de ny altitude an'la mbola
Ny recyclé kely le vitesse. Ny ay fa 170 ny altitude fa le vitesse ny recyclé kely.
ay quel c'est intercept mbola recyclenao no le vitesse nampiakarina kely totona
Atao. Throttle tsy mihetsika mihitsy.
fa
Throttle eo amin'ny bande blanche foana.
nampidinina
Ahoana?
ai nampidinina kely le hoe
Tsy maninona ka.
fa le vitesse
Raha aloha alefasy mode nav hoe.
air nav
Zao. Mode nav le eo ambanin'ny HDGR amin'ny MCT.
fort
Miaffiché fort be ny an'ilay.
affirme
Oui. Yes. De ahoana ozy izy là le vitesse teo.
si c'est là hoe l'anticiper kely le vitesse ina nkitiana tam'zay
Tsy niteny an'izany ako.
hoe firy zao ny flight level lany
Le amin'ny altimétre sa le sélecté.
altimetre
Au top 15200 top.
nina mbola 15900 au top 15000 top zay nefa 15200 bon mety misy différence kely foana QNH lafy
1013.
affirme au top nena 1600 top trouve
1600.
15800 au top top mitovy
15920.
tsy mitovy ndray zany
15920.
de le chef cockpit mihitsy zany tsy mampitovy an'le zavatra
N'aveva manenne oui, à l'approche des 17 000.
Maintenant c'est pour Manen. Ok, tu Manen, ça. After check of checklist, landing later. See after check of after check of checklist. Landing here.
Up.
Then power management.
Auto. Climb at the butt.
Okay, so we are approaching the flat cruise on top.
Okay. Tana, Madagascar 530. Now reaching flight level 170. 40 nautical miles Tango November Victor on radial 068.
Madagascar 530, copy taxi down.
Power management changed on course. Sequence.
Done.
Okay, landing light off. Landing light off.
Landing, beacon, taxi off.
Engine bleed on.
Blades are on.
Seatbelt on, off. Okay. A little brief for the route and when you start the descent and so on. You can do that, but I cannot.
Sorry?
A little brief for the when we start our descent.
Okay, so stand by. Okay, ready for the approach briefing?
Ready to copy.
Just stand by. I will ask Tana if they have weather for Saint Marie. Stand by. Tana approach Madagascar 530.
Madagascar 530, go ahead.
Then approach, do you have weather for Saint Marie, please?
Madagascar 530, stand by.
Maybe I did the metal because I use active scanning, and also perhaps he has not the meta.
Okay.
There is no meta.
Okay, so go ahead. Go ahead for Saint Marie.
Okay. So, well, at 2318, at 18450. 10108 knots, 10 kilometers, thunderstorm rain, clouds at 3,000 feet, and Kimilulani City, Charlie Bravo, scattered at 100. Temperature 26 and 2.20, QNH 1015. Advanced interpolation.
Okay, 1015, and runway news will be 01, right?
Maybe 19.
But can you repeat the wind?
Wind is
Madagascar
101.
530, weather at Saint Marie, the wind is 101 at 08 knots, visibility 10 miles and plus, overcast at 1000 feet and broken at 9000 feet. Temperature is 26 degrees and dew point is 20 degrees. There is light wind at the moment, QNH is 1015.
1015, and can you say again the wind, please?
101 at 08 knots.
Thank you very much, Dana. Madagascar 530.
Some active scanning and confirming. Is it from IFAP? I'm talking.
Okay, so we have 8 knots crosswind.
Yes.
So we can go ahead for. Sorry?
Yeah. Yes. We have 08. Can continue.
Yes, so it will be full crosswind, so let's just use runway 01, okay? We will try to go for a straight approach, runway 01. We start descent at 50 nautical miles from Saint Marie. It means 117 DME from Tango November Victor, right?
Okay, copy.
Okay, so at 117 Tango November Victor we start descent and we will make 4 degree descent instead of 3. So it will allow us to decelerate on the long final runway 01.
Copy.
If okay, if we don't have runway instead, then we will make another flight and return back by the left for a circuit pattern. And if weather is really bad, then we divert to Amasna, waiting for the weather to be clear. Current is 1015, it is already copied. And briefing is complete if no more question.
And we descent at
The Gassan 530 proceed as filed, and you can see Unicom 1.8. Have a good flight.
Continuing as filed and switched into Unicom. Thank you very much for your services. Just wanted to confirm at what time you're closing.
The Scar 530, it will depend if you plan to come back or if you will stay in Denmark.
Captain, come back or stay?
we can plan for come back. It's okay for me. Fuel is
Then approach Madagascar 530. We will have a 15 minutes turnaround at Sainte Marie, then we will come back to Tana.
Madagascar 530, give me your estimate for takeoff from Sainte Marie.
we confirm. Sir.
Then approach standby.
Officer, can you please check the fuel quantities that you have in your side?
Uh, 2080.
Mine is 2900. Confirm if if we go back with this fuel, we can arrive at Ivato with this fuel.
Yes, it's still okay.
Okay, so we can return immediately, just the time to configure my bulletin and on Vasset company
Okay.
Skydance.
Then approach Madagascar.
Your connection to the server has been terminated. Link engaged. Member joined.
What's happening, officer? Le cancel la coda ngatia.
Raha izy tompavy miangaviana ianareo amatotra tsara ny fekibo.
Inona no
Delta
mahazo
Alpha
antsika
30,
zany?
go ahead.
Tsy haiko ohatrany tapaka le connexion tonga de crash midina nanjavina tampoka teo hoe
Delta 530.
Don't sink. Don't sink. Don't sink.
Fa inona ny ataon'ny avion lahy zao?
efa micrash aty amin'ny tany aty.
Okay, climb sequence. Don't sink.
Mikrasy ny avion lahy?
Don't sink.
Efa mitsotsorika be
Don't sink.
tsy mety anaovana alina tsony.
Don't sink. Don't sink.
Oay le aka.
Don't
Tomboky
sink.
laha izy tompavy tonga soa eto an-tserana. Miangaviana ianareo mijanona amin'ny sezanareo ary tsy hamano fekibo raha tsy maty jerokely avatorony fekibo.
Tsy mety ataony inona
Zavatra
tsony?
ilatsaka rehefa manokatra
Pasehoana hoe commande?
aoka hitandrona tsara.
Pasehoana hoe commande?
Amin'ny alalan'ny fiaramanidina dia amarino zao misy zavatra
Place
ajibo.
iny commande.
Amin'ny alalan'ny ary Madagasikara manaveloma anareo izahay ary misaotra
Ahoana dia lahy?
ny vidiny raha ty taminay.
Efa lasa ny commande.
Efa miverina. Oay le mikrasy a? Merde.
De crossiny ana.
Faiza ty? I have control.
Sink rate.
Tana approach Madagascar 530.
Madagascar 530, go ahead. I heard the Mayday.
Yes, we have a big problem now. I'm checking 106 nautical miles VOR at 3,000 feet. It's gonna be tricky. I will try to recover and we'll call you back.
Madagascar 530, copy.
Hello, Pence?
Yes.
Aiza ny malazo?
Aty ambambany aty amin'ny tany aty a 3000 pieds 105 nautique amin'ny voa. Activé le pilote automatique.
Azo activé-na ny pilote automatique aloha aleo aloha entina manuel ty recovery kely. Fa hitan'lahy zao za j'ai contrôle de pilote ny avion.
Fina koa le tonga teo connexion tapaka tonga de simba le tay
Tapaka le connex.
tonga de excessive na maratra ny olona na ny lefta.
Firy ny altitude an'lahy zao?
4200 au top, 300 au top. Top.
Ok.
Jarang sudah sekali ya. Basicule là, c'est quand ça les management.
Ahoana zay lahy?
Basicule là, c'est quand ça va les management.
Telitelika be ty avion ty ve lesy le?
Tô pilote
Tsy haiko
m'sait.
efa maninona. Ah sarany hein. On va mettre le mode VS et heading au top. Top.
Top.
J'ai un VS plus 700 pieds minute.
Okay.
Et là maintenant,
That's up to him. Plus 700. Mais... Das?
pente blanche.
Ok. I change our swap to 1000 and we confirm that we are set.
Sun approach Madagascar 530.
Madagascar 530, go ahead.
We are slowly recovering now, checking 113 nautical miles Tango November Victor, crossing 6,500 feet and climbing. We continue to Sainte Marie.
Madagascar 530, copy.
So which flight level we choose? Maybe we stay under one flight level 100.
Sun approach Madagascar 530, we estimate in Sainte Marie at 1940, hopefully, if everything is fine.
Madagascar 530, copy.
Officer? Confirm our altitude. Cruise altitude. Allô?
Oui, allô, Mercator FL 110 alone. 110 on MCP altitude.
So could you change yours? Yours is already 110.
Affirm.
Okay. Что за комнатки?
confirm your selected heading now.
Zero 6 8.
Mine is 060.
Okay, I will change it. 060 now. Attenzione a play, non si chiama. Non tanga.
Estava com a Conex, estou, sûrement.
Il y avait une connexion sur cette piste, pas? Comment tu m'as dit?
Ça, né?
Eh? On va le dire. Ni faplon, tu m'as tenté connect. T'as ton fréquence.
Ok. Sainte-Marie en vue, hein. Et on approche 11 000 pieds. Nina, ça va bien, tu.
On est 127 nautiques. Donc
40 nautiques avant Sainte-Marie, c'est que ça.
c'est une altitude de cycle quoi?
Ah, mais on va juste faire 4 degrés. 240, enfin, ni 3 degrés, so 5% ni coefficient calibré ni vertical speed. Ra 3 degrés, para 4 degrés, c'est 7%. Ça n'est pas à grande speed à 180, et multiplié par 7. Déjà, on a 4 degrés. Ça n'est rien, c'est à peu près 200... C'est 200... Ramaïta 240 nœuds, c'est grande speed à refus. Et multiplié par 7, 240, ça nous fait dans les 1800 pieds minutes, ça nous fait afficher.
Ok. Quer voy a mapit na nisitresen.
Ma piaca, oui.
Ah, 240, il approché un approche, c'est un petit contaminant.
C'est comme si c'était une case.
Ok. Et pas en flux de piste, longue finale.
Bon, d'ailleurs, on va commencer. On va commencer la descente à selected altitude de 2000. C'est parti.
Vertical speed 1800 minutes.
On va commencer à 1600.
1600, 2000.
Arlequira, tinto lewaza. Santa pakatranin. Pa tinto.
Naty niakatra. Fa rehefa le amin'ny sady cockpit mila samy mampiakatra. Satria ny anaty ohatra miakatra.
Ah, ok.
Mba tsy mampiakatra miakatra
Ok.
zany.
Ok, out of notch, hein? Out of notch, hein?
Ah?
Out of notch. Les throttles pour maintenir 240.
Ok, zany hoe amin'ny pente green.
Ah, c'est tazomana 240 fotsiny.
Fa ny hitako atiny hoe 2 ary ambony be ary zany ataony tapitra sy bon efa avy contrôle. and the approach is just here.
Tsy mety misynchrone le manety le fa manino synchronisation amin'lahy hoe tsy mety misynchrone le manety fa miverina any ambony be any foana zay vo mety maintien 240
ambany maintso izy de zao
vertical speed à 1800
ok. Sainte-Marie en visuel.
On va mettre la course de la piste qui est 009, course 009.
Course 009.
Ok, donc on va entrer en base main gauche, Zanzo. Heading 070. Correction 080.
Pista passe main gauche, anglais, visuel landing. C'est un long final.
Altitude set to 1200. Selected.
1% front weight.
Throttle to flight idle.
Throttle weight.
Plein arrière en M-Cytex, hein?
QNH will change it at 1 after QNH 0 1015.
Set. Ah no. It's back to 13. Are you setting the QNH?
Yes. Let me check the radar.
Vertical speed 1000. Allez, en piste fan laitier.
Ariam Koshari.
Ok, heading 070.
070.
Vertical speed 500.
500.
Rehefa be aty amin'ny tany aty le oaka. Tak'izay nanao vertical ihany aloha. Okay, I have ADF. So let's just wait for the QDM 009er. Maintain speed 150.
Netflix hoje, mas dá pra fazer round.
Flaps 15
Flaps 15
and heading 060.
heading 060.
Flaps 15.
Heading 009er.
Heading 009.
Heading 011.
011.
Hey, this unlirete. Gear down.
Gear down.
Heading 013.
013.
Speed.
Yes,
Speed
yes.
120.
Yes. 990.
I think I have the puppies in sight. Confirm?
Negative.
Maintain 120 speed. Power management to take off. Flaps full down.
Pull down.
Flaps 30.
Okay, disconnecting autopilot and yaw damper.
You have control, huh?
I have control, please maintain 110 speed.
110 speed. Confirm we have the same scenario.
Maybe not.
Maybe I can have control.
Yes.
I
You
take
have control? Yes. Maintain 110 speed. Voilà 4 plans les papis, hein.
They are not his puppy, hein.
Et... Ah, 4 plans, je te dirais quand c'est dans la pente. Mais on est dans l'axe. C'est là dans l'axe, ça.
C'est ton lac, ça. Oh, ton lac.
Maintain 110 speed. Papi still 4 reds.
Ma c'è pensa anche il pontier di controller o
400. Speed, okay. Okay, we land.
Not
Speed,
yet?
speed. Speed is 090.
Don't sink. Don't sink.
No.
Go around?
Going
Don't
around.
sink. Don't sink.
Going around.
Alaska 530.
Don't sink. Don't sink.
Going around and left turn after?
Tana approach Madagascar 530. We are now we're flying Sainte Marie, going around for another approach. Runway 01.
Madagascar 530 copy. When looking from here.
We're above a project plan Madagascar 530.
Saky normalement tsy tokony mahaino an'ilay santsony.
Azafady, mampiasa maintsy mampiasa an'ity fa contrôler an'ilay roaplanina.
Vao mikompaky amin'ny teo koa le Georges ilay an'ilay fa mifamandrivaka be ny atao.
Aza anaty fréquence konezy, hitako mihitsy message.
Ka torarahako zany fa makamo be ny ataony.
Flap.
Yeter sampan zany
Io manidina ao
Fahita
akaty
sampan
mare.
zany.
Makaty atsika 737.
Aya dia wakati amitsika koa. Ah bon.
Alefa release zay le ry.
Member left.
Inge rifany ala tato.
Head in 189er. 1000 feet.
Zany hoe contourner un petit la compte.
Okay, now I have the yes. We're starting downwind. 1 minute. If you can descend to 1000 feet and maintain 189er heading. Okay, chrono is set. Okay, check in 1 minute. We're turning to base. Lave maitan lian DF.
Yeah.
On a un instrument. No, de calibre omnibutenniak.
Okay.
Laten bij speed, laten speed.
Flaps.
Flaps 15.
Flaps 15.
Laten nekken de liep, ja. Gear down.
Get down.
You're down.
Gear down, free green. Flaps to approach. Sorry. Flaps full down. Free red on Papis. Okay, we have okay, free reds on Papi.
400.
4 red on Papi.
300.
Speed 110. Ah! Okay, speed control, flaps up.
Flaps up.
Ila pasarana kely ty ATR ty fa ohatran'ny azo diafina ihany.
Rehefa misynchrone fotsiny le commande sy ny anina dia mety raha tsy manondrana ny connexion.
Za aloha zao dia aty anaty bozaka somatsara.
Runway track 8. Marshall. Open blend in left box, that's left one.
Approach Madagascar 530. We are now on block set. St. Mary crossing flight plan. Thank you for your service and sorry for staying on the frequency. See you back.
Madagascar 530 copied the welcome to St. Marie and I will be waiting for your comment.
Yes, we are departing after 5 little minutes.
Madagascar 530, departure in 5 minutes, copy.
Atsanna velomety zay ty sa...
Tonga dia aloha tonga dia velo. Aloha tonga dia velo, tonga dia lasa dia basta.
Misy approche-na 737 iny a.
J'ai pas radar, hein.
Amina bay. Tsika koa mila mi-déconnecte akeo dia mi-connecte fa tsy rafraîchisse eto. Hey.
Ok, oui, j'ai radar. 8000 pieds, Vélez, Vélez.
Nefa fakaiky. Mba tapaky le vidéo. Itanao vidéo ray ndray.
Ilava ianao nanokatra varavarana le?
Firma. Nakana sary amin'ilay
Ah, okej.
Okey, zay zany tamin'iny sidiny iny a. Teny ampovoany teny tapaka ny connexion avy an'iny partie afatany a. De tsy maintsy nisy ohatran'iny crash mete iny teny amin'le vidéo teny a, teny ezahana anarenina. Fa le vasefa aloha tonga de nitapahana satria tapaka tamin'iny ny tenda. Aleo Sky Alliance zany. De iverina ny vato ndray zay ihany tsy asiana Sky Alliance de zay aloha ny amin'ity vidéo ty a. Efa 1h30 be mihitsy. Okay. That's all for this flight. So at the reason of the crash is internet connection. So we had to reestablish the connection, and after that recovery flight, and we arrived safe. And thank you for watching. See you next.